Hello, this is V, and you're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today, I'm sharing with you some Tim Burton themed flowers, and I'm using the Fringe style flower die set by ScrapDiva Designs. This is all of the information. If you'd like to check out all of the links, they will be listed below. So be sure to check out that description. I do also have a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. And you'll be able to save 10% through the entire website. I was involved in a Tim Burton group swap, which you will see the video soon coming next. I decided to continue with the theme of Beetlejuice and make some boo mail. So this is going out to someone, and hopefully they love it. I just wanted to continue making this theme because I had so much fun making it and decided to make an embellishment box, and I wanted it to be just embellies and nothing else, and no trinkets or anything like that. So all you see is handmade embellishments in this box. Moving on to the flowers. So the die set comes with 8 pieces. The pack has 4 different size petals. You get 2 of each. And as you can see here, I've separated them. So a total of 8. So I'm going to start off with folding each petal. I'm using my tool here to do that. You can use any tool you'd like. I'm using my craft tweezers to bend each petal. And as I'm doing that, I'm also kind of rolling them. So this is usually the style of petals that I like to make. I like them to be like the Paige Evans style, where you just fold them up. So let's talk about the clip art that I'm using. I'm using the amazing clip art from Etsy. I just love the clip art. I love the cartoon effect as well. I feel like they captured Beetlejuice and Lydia so good in cartoon form. I just love how it is. So what I did is I printed out all of my ephemera pieces and I cut them out with my electric cutting machine. And you could do any type of size you'd like. So here's a flower here. I'm showing you that all you have to do is just bring the petal into a cup and add glue to it, and then add it to each petal. So you will start with the large and end with the small. And I just love glittered flowers. I had no idea that I would love these so much. I think it's the colors. I just love the Beetlejuice colors in purple and green. I also did just one black, but you'll see some that are a different shade as well. I also mixed some, and there's also some flowers that are just regular cardstock paper. I'm using the cardstock paper pad by DCWV called Boo Crew, in case you'd like to pick that up. And I just love it. It just went well. It had all the colors I needed inside it and more. So there is the flower. Isn't it beautiful? I'm also using some buttons galore and more flat back pearls, and this is from the October subscription box. I was a guest designer for them for the Halloween release, and you will also see me share some Christmas in later videos. And I just love them. I love how it turned out. They had the green and the purple, and it all matched very well. I was happy because of that. I wasn't sure what type of centers I was going to use, considering it is a Beetlejuice theme project. And these flowers turned out so well for Beetlejuice, and I just love it. So there is the pearl. How pretty does that look against the glitter? So pretty. Excuse my raspy voice. It's been a little windy over here. And so I get kind of congested here. So here I'm just doing the second flower in fast mode, and it's all done super fast. And I figured that you would be able to get how I did that in the first flower making. So I just add that to the side. I'm also using some of the silicone mats. If you have them, they're great. If not, you can also use the glass. I preferred not to use the glass so I wouldn't have to scrape all of the glue off. So here we go. Let's get into this box. This box is one of the boxes that I always use. I always gravitate to this box. I've made it in several different colors and several different themes. And I just had to make this in the Beetlejuice theme. I wanted to make the bigger box. However, again, time, I never have the time to do it. So I was able to whip this box in a day. So if you have a craft day that you can spare, you could do all of this yourself as well. And the striped paper there is from the paper pad DCWV. They have striped 2 sheets and I just loved it. Here are the green. The green is my favorite as well. I'm not sure which is my favorite. They're all my favorite. I just love how the green and the purple look together. So here is a little embellishment that I still need to add the sentiment to. So I added the printable clip art along with a haunted house die that I had in my stash. You can also use an SVG file. Here are some simple rosettes. I wanted it simple and handmade. I didn't want all of the glitz and glam, and I just wanted to go back to basics. And sometimes I just miss the simpleness of how we started crafting and making rosettes and stuff like that. That's when I came on the scene. I came on the scene when everyone was making simple rosettes, and I was trying to get the hang of all of the craftiness that everyone was crafting. And I just wanted to pick up on that and bring back the old just for a little bit here. And here's my multicolor. That one is black and some green. And then I also added some die cuts here, and I backed them with some black paper. So it feels a bit like a chipboard. So it's like a chipboard piece. And I just love how this turned out, you guys. It's so cute. I decided to add that Beetlejuice clip art on the other side. And that's just loose there for the recipient to use if she would like to use it in another project. So she would have everything needed to create a Beetlejuice theme project. I completely forgot to talk about the rosettes. The rosettes are completely handmade. I did not use a die for that. I also used some green eyelash trim, which I picked up from Hobby Lobby a while ago. So that brought the theme all together and just tied everything together. I still need to add a sentiment to those rosettes as well. I really do want to add a sentiment, and I do have some stamps that I could use in my stash that are very small that would go very well with this. And I'm going to close up the box, and this is concludes the video almost. I hope you enjoyed this Beetlejuice themed embellishment box, completely handmade, and all the links will be listed below on everything that I used. And don't forget the die. It's the Fringe style die. Comes with 8 pieces, and check that out. And that's from scrapdivadesigns.com. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.